try and start this blaster real quick, Blake, and show them. If your blaster don't start in 1 or 2 kicks, something's wrong. I went out there, this thing's supposed to run. I kicked it like a dozen times the other day, it wouldn't fire. Something's wrong.
Ants.
Oh, it's got ants?
Yep.
That's probably all it is. See, it should have started, boys. Something's wrong. Trust me, I kicked it in front of a customer like 10 times the other day while he was here, and I was like, okay, then. So we're going to wash it up. All the ATVs. Big Red's even been in here already, didn't get mud in. Rolo's fat, 4-hoof ass, 4-hoof drive. You go lay down, bad girl. So far, all I've had is mud in here from my dog, Rolo's fat ass, and then Henry with a nice dog puke. So thanks, guys. Really appreciate it, dogs. Thanks. You help so much in so many ways by barking during videos, puking and shitting and cleaned it off, make sure it has fuel. We're gonna do that. That's the easiest thing to do. If it then fires up, then we're golden. And if it doesn't, then we're gonna check, make sure she's sparking. Phillips screwdriver outside. So as you can see from the overflow, it is getting gas. We loosened this Phillips down here. And I know my whole ass business was built on blasters for a while, so might as well be the first one we get going in here. And the Argo, we're gonna work on that today too. So that's cute.
Hey, let me show y'all something. You wanna know how you can tell something's wrong with the motorcycle?
How? It says Yamaha?
Guys, just look at this. When you tell them no, because you see things are apart, and then they text you a billion times.
Oh, that's how, yeah.
Saying I never messed with it and I'm gonna go down 400 since you're doubting me. It's a good deal. How's that for you?
Going down 400 to 100?
No.
Or from 9 to
400 to deliver too.
Oh, going down to 400.
Yeah.
Should have said, so if you go down 400, you're asking 5, that means you want 100. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Right back, boys. Makes it easy. 300, you got a deal. If you deliver. So we drained the fuel, boys. Let's see if that helps. Dudes, tell us we can't get this blaster done efficiently up in here, cleanly.
And the next person that tells us to do donuts in here is
gonna be eating fish donuts.
They're gonna be a donut hole, I'll tell you.
Yeah, we're gonna wad their asses up.
I'm not really sure what that means.
I don't know what that means.
You're gonna be one.
You'll know.
Yeah,
you'll know. When it happens, you'll know. So guys, we washed her up a little bit. We brought her inside, drained the fuel bowl. Didn't want to start. I'm hoping that's it because it's got fuel in it. All right, see if she'll fire, dog.
Oh.
It might just be needed a little fresh fuel.
Yeah.
And I want to sell this one, boys. 02 Texas Title Band Blaster. You're getting headlight action. I don't know if that matters. Just needed some fresh fuel, boys. That's it. Woo! So guys, look, it's as easy as that. Actually, you know what? Go ahead and ride it real quick, Blake. Now that I think about it and you took the shifter off for that guy and we don't even have the shifter anyways. Bro, no shifter.
What's wrong?
It's automatic.
No. Where's your vice grip?
Vice grips. Where's your vice grips?
Yeah, vice grip.
Vice grips. So, push the back brake. It works. It was just... Yeah, but on a wheelie, it's not... I guess it's good. How's the front one? Give her a push. All right, we're straight with that. So all we got to do is go get a shifter from the pile, throw it on. Guys, sometimes, dude, okay. Just start it. I'm going to pull it with it running. I'm not giving up on this idea. I don't quit that easy. Boys, sometimes it's as simple as that. You'll seen him kicking it earlier. Know this when you own a 2-stroke. This is what you do. You get down there, you know, you crack the drain bowl loose, you let the old bad fuel out, because it'll store in here for maybe, with bad fuel, with regular gas, 3-4 months, maybe 5. But if you don't drain the bowl, 45 days down the road, she ain't gonna start. You're gonna have people with mullets. Yeah, you're gonna have people with mullets trying to tell you, dude, I'll pull it behind the bourbon. You just dump the clutch on it in third gear. We'll get her fired up and cleared out.
She just needs to be ran.
So literally didn't need starting fluid, which might have helped, might not have helped.
You know what? I think this, if I remember right, that kills the power. I want to say that there was like remember how you turned it off and it instantly started? I want to say this one, we figured it out and it had an electrical problem. If the light switch was on, it wouldn't turn on.
You tripping. It was the fuel, guys. Don't let him mix up. No, now he's adding variables to the situation. Now maybe it's because we also aired up the back tires. No. So there's really no way to tell what fixed it.
No, I'm pretty sure. I know for a fact it was one of the blasters we had.
It must have been the other one, because watch, lights on, give her a kick. She'll fire up. We'll go ahead and put this mystery to rest. Yeah, he turned off the switch. See?
Damn. Did you see that?
Just killed it again.
I turned it on low. What?
From run to off. He's not good with kill switches. Kill switches aren't Blake's thing. Yeah, a little bit. Everybody, dude, the guy at home not watching saw that. Okay. Yeah, well, shit, I tried.
Okay, I gotta go.
Best I could do.
Yeah. Accidentally wave at some people.
With my fingers.
Viewers. No, dude, I accidentally, I don't know why, but my Facebook started waving at people.
So, dude, we drained the fuel, put a shifter on it, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, right? Lots of times I go to buy a blaster. That's all it was, boys. And the people who owned it. As far as they knew, their blaster was broke down. That's all they knew. They never said blasters were fast. They said they're not fast. So to throw a conclusion on this video, what do you know about blasters?
They're slow.
It's pretty much the only fact about them, huh? Yeah.
And
Gutless.
They're technically two-stroke.
Yeah, technically, yeah.
I mean, you could. It is. I mean, you gotta mix the gas and oil, but doesn't have the power of a two-stroke. Doesn't have.
It's air cooled.
It's a kid's bike.
Kid's bike. That's it.
It's
It's a kid's bike.
It's a kid's bike.
Yep.
I would put it up there with the 400 EXs.
Yeah.
You know, another child's bike.
Another child's bike. Just good old child's bike.
Yep.
Guys, for the money, for your kids, for you, your family, your wife, Yamaha Blaster are probably the best bang for your buck you're ever going to get for a sport quad. You can pick them up between $200 and $2,000, and the whole family can have fun on them. So we love Yamaha Blasters around here, and if you want to make some money on a quad, like I said, you can pick them up between $200 and $2,000. There's a lot of room there. There's a lot of cushion. There's a lot of cushion there. So you're gonna want to get up in there, dudes, for the money. Buy the blaster, let the kid outride it, let the kid outgrow it, let the wife get tired of it, you know, like she did your ass, and then just put in the old daggum, put it on the lines. Oh, wiener. What kind of tie-ups and stuff? Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and get up in there, dudes. If you missed the KD80X we posted last night, check her out and give you a little sneak preview to what's next. Project right here, boys. Check her out. Big old turd Argo. Big old turd Argo 6x6. Big old turd Honda motor. Turd broken axle, completely ruined. Busted in here. Maybe the carrier too. Needs some chains and a couple sprockets. We're gonna get her back together. Get the other wheel back on her. We're gonna send her across the pond. That's coming very soon.